Now let's go ahead and revert back to our original content. So let's go back to content. And for our thank you for a really great 2028, we'll click edit and let's go to revisions. So this shows a list of revisions. This is our current one. This is where we added really to the title. And this was our revision before that. If we wanted to go back to this original content, we can just click revert. But sometimes you might want to be able to see exactly what changes. The description is helpful, but what if the person that added this description to the revision forgot some part of the change that they made and didn't add that to the description? Well, we can use a module called Diff in order to see what exactly changed from one revision to another so we don't accidentally roll back something that we wanted to keep. Let's install that. I'm going to go back to Drupal.org and I'll go to project/diff and I'm going to scroll down and I'll grab the latest recommended version for Drupal 8. We'll go back to our site, go to extend, install new module, paste in the URL, and click install. Let's enable it. Now let's go back to our content. We'll click edit and go to revisions. And now what we can do is select two different revisions. Right now we only have two, and select compare. And this will show us line by line the changes that have been made between the two versions. So in this one it says we removed this text, and in this one we added this text, and it has the change highlighted. This is super useful, especially for more detailed changes. All right, I'm going to go back to the revision overview and let's revert to our original. Click revert and notice that when we do that, it creates a new revision based on that other content. So we don't lose any of the revisions that we've created.